Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. In my last video I used a putty knife for a steel. That did not cast enough sparks to ignite my charred punkwood, so I had to switch to char cloth. I do want to show you though with a good sparky steel. This is made from a Nicholson file, and I do encourage you to go see that playlist. I have a playlist of about 8 videos I guess of how to make a good steel out of a file. So do check that out. That link will be in the description. But today I just wanted to show you that indeed I can ignite some charred punkwood. These are leaves straight off the ground. You don't realize how much more difficult it is when you have a tinder that has moisture in it. But it will easily ignite these leaves. All right, y'all. Do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Damp leaves. When the smoke is streaming up off of it that fast, it's about to go to flames. So we'll go ahead and watch that happen. We'll catch you on the next one.